Today I'm going to show you how to make green tea and lemon muffins. This makes about 12. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 300 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of oil, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of lemon curd, 4 green tea bags. Firstly, in a saucepan, on a low heat, add your milk and your green tea bags and simmer the green tea bags in the milk for 10 minutes. Then strain and remove the tea bags from the milk. Then you want to measure out your tea infused milk. We want 150 millilitres of milk for the recipe, so you can either take a little bit out if you've still got more in, or you can add a little bit of milk to your mixture to then top it up to 150. In a bowl, mix together your flour and your sugar until well combined. Then, having allowed the milk to cool, add your egg already beaten, your oil, and your lemon curd, and mix until well combined. Then you want to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until a nice batter forms. Then in a pre-lined cupcake tin, you want to pour your batter into your cases. Then in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted, bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make green tea and lemon muffins.